Hello, I'm Vidya Kusuma, and this video we will discuss about social media on student life. On digital world like today, of course, we're not stranger with social media in our everyday life. Social media have a big impact on teenager life, especially students. This influence can be positive or negative for their academic performance. Let's we talk about the positive impact of social media on student life. Social media gives students for extensive to access information. Social media can be digital library which is easy to access. So, students can find various learning resources, tutor or discuss about their courses. Social media also facilitate formation of group study online. From that, students can discuss sharing material and make their assessment together on social media. By looking other people who active at study and their achievement on social media, that can be a motivation for other students to study harder. Not just that, students can find various tutor online on media social that can help them to develop their skills like coding, graphic design, or writing. Besides of positive impact, there is also a negative impact of social media on student life. The first is distraction. Continuous notification and interesting content on social media can distract students from their study. The second is reduced sleep. Many students find themselves scrolling through media social late into the night, leading of sleep deprivation. Lack of sleep can cause negative cognitive function like attention, memory, and problem-solving skills, essence of student success. The worst negative impact of social media for students is cyberbullying. Bullying on social media can cause stress and anxiety that can make a negative effect for their mental health and their academic performance. Social media have been inseparable part from student life. This platform not only influence their study method, but also in significant way from their social life. On positive way, social media allows students to connect with other people from various backgrounds and culture around the world. This open opportunity to interweaving new friendship and expanding their social network. By expanding social network, students can be able to join online community that have same interests with them. For example, the student can join the fan club, student can find join discussion group, or student can join with book club. This creates sense of ownership and make them to interaction with other people who have the same interest with them. From this online interaction, students can be able to develop their social skills like communication, empathy, and collaboration. They also can learn how to expressing their self clearly, hearing people, and work together to achieve common goals. Social media also can be a big support for students. On social media, students can find more advice, students can sharing various experience, and the important thing, students will find supportive community. Imagine social media as an empty canvas. Every post, every comment, and every interaction are paintbrushes to create your image on cyberspace. To create a good impression, you can do this way. The first way, you can choose a professional profile. You can use neat profile or picture, and then you can describe yourself and your interests. The second way, you can make a connection. You can follow business account, professional account, or influencer who have a similar interest with you. Don't worry to leave a comment or send a relevant message further. And the third way, you can make a quality content. You can sharing your skills by sharing journal, sharing article, or sharing creative work or project. And the last, you can use advantage from social media platform. Every social media platform have their uniques. For example, LinkedIn is for the professional connection, Twitter for discussion, and Instagram for visuals. Imagine, use social media is like a drive bicycle. You have to maintain their balance. On social media, you can limit your time when you use social media so that cannot disrupt your other activity. And the second way, you can avoid some content who have a negative impact that make you stress. And the third way, it is priority your study. Don't let social media hinder your assessment. And the last is very important thing, be yourself. Build a unique brand self and reflect yourself. From how we discuss about, we can conclude social media is a strong tool, but need to well manage. K is balance. Use social media as tool to get your goals, not as its a goals.
Audio Jungle.